At this point in my career, I've lived through a lot of construction nightmares. And I'll tell you a true story. We're doing a custom home build right now, and we're on our fourth framer. It's been a freaking revolving door. And for me, the door just slams shut every time something goes wrong, and their excuse for the problem starts with these 6 words. Well, we always do it this way. And that's followed by blah, 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 blah. And I stopped listening because let me tell you what that means. It means that they didn't take the time to learn how to do the job right, or they didn't get trained properly, and they've gotten away with this for years. And you just caught them with their pants down. So, do you try to help them do their job right? Is it worth it? Well, this is how I approach it, and maybe it'll help you. I've learned that when I hear those 6 words, it means one of 3 things. Number 1, they just don't know how to do it right, and you don't want that. Number 2, you're going to need to get involved and either teach them how to do it, which you're not really qualified to do, or manage them to fix it. In what world does that make sense? You hired them for their supposed expertise. Or number 3, you're just going to be suspicious from this point on, and you're never going to trust that they did the work the right way. So, do you play nice? Do you try to work it out? Or do you just push them out the revolving door? In most cases, I say thank you. Next. So, would you like more tips to help you get through your custom home design and build or your major renovation? Well, you can join us in our private Facebook group. It's called Dream Build Academy, and you can sign up for our really awesome newsletter, The Dream Build. The links are below. See you on the inside.